Hi, this is Cooking with Tia. I am making Laos style sausage. Here's the meat. I have 3 big chunks of loins, about almost 50 pounds, 45 to 50 pounds. Here's the casing for it. Some lemongrass. Some garlic. Some Thai chili pepper all over the place. And I think this is some lime leaf or kefir. I don't know how to say it. I'll use a little bit of that. And some onions, sweet onions. Okay, I have MSG, black pepper, fish sauce, salt, sugar. The first step, I'm going to chop up the meat into little cubes or a little bit long loins and put it in the machine. Start out slow. And I'll show you, it's got a big hole for the sausage. Now it's coming out. It's tough, so I use quite a bit of it. This is what makes the sausage melt in the lemongrass. I'm going to cut my lemongrass, cut the stalk here, I'll peel it. Choose the stalk. Here's the second scoop, black pepper, half a scoop. MSG, scoop and a half. Three. Okay. 5. There we go. And then pepper, that's optional, but this one I'm not going to put. I'm saving that for later. Hard time putting this up. Okay. Close to me. I'm too short. I need to be taller or put it on the floor. Okay. I made a small sample to taste to see how for the seasoning. I air fried it 8 to 10 minutes. It wasn't as tasty after I air fried, so I added more salt. Add a little bit of everything. So I'm washing the sausage casing because it's salty. 3 here. They put a lot of salt to preserve it. So if you don't want your sausage to be salty, make sure you wash it. This one didn't have a lot of salt, but I'm going to put more salt kind of to store it. Quite a bit. Just let it sit or soak down. Okay, here it goes. Yeah, this one's the right size. So it depends on your casing. If you got a bigger casing, you use a bigger one. This one's gonna be. I need more water. All done. I have 3 casing in there. I think. Here's the machine. I think it holds 20 to 25 pounds. How much I got left? So it's probably 20 pounds. Okay. All done. One first casing. About 15 minutes or so. Kind of.